So Apple Pay Later has just came out, and it's basically a new thing that allows you to pay over time on, I think your purchases within your Apple Pay. So this is a cool little thing if you're interested in doing it. We can take a look at Apple's how to set up Apple Pay Later website. And within this, it does kind of give you a quick breakdown of what's expected. It tells you exactly the layout, and it says Apple Pay Later is available for purchases between $50 and $1,000 made on iPhone and iPad devices. So if it's less than $50 or if it's more than $1,000 right now, it looks like it's not really supported. So keep that in mind. Now there's a few things that are needed before you actually do this, and doing it is very basic. So what you need is you need to be 18 years or older, you need to be a US citizen or a lawful resident, you need to set up Apple Pay with an eligible debit card, you need to set up two-factor authentication, and you need to make sure that you verify your identity, or you might need to verify your identity with a driver's license. So as long as that looks good to you, that's pretty much all you're going to want to do. Now, what you want to do is on your Apple Pay or on your Apple Wallet, you're going to want to make your way over to your wallet application. And then what you want to do is you want to basically set up Apple Pay if you haven't already. So if you have not already set up Apple Pay, then clearly you need to set that up. On my personal phone, I've already done this. Now, once you already have Apple Pay set up, you should be able to click the plus button up here, and there should be a little option that allows you to go ahead and set up Apple Pay later. So remember that. It basically tells you right here to follow that instruction. And then after you go and set up Apple Pay later, you should be able to come into a panel that looks something like this. Maybe not exactly like this, but this would be your Apple Pay later, little page that comes up. So this gives you a breakdown of exactly what's going on. So it tells you your total payment due would be about $415. The debt or due that's next 30 days would be $316. And you can see that you can go and add a new purchase amount if you want to, the upcoming payments that you have here as well. So this would be a breakdown of exactly what it looks like on the other side of Apple Pay Later. Now those are the instructions, these are the instructions as well. And this is also a breakdown if you're going to use Apple Pay immediately on a product. In this example, this person went ahead and bought whatever this was, an espresso machine. Well, if you take a look, you'll now have two options. You can either pay it in full or you can pay later, basically the way it looks like. So you can see that basically it would be, due today would be $46, and then in 2 weeks it would be another $46, and in 6 weeks, basically it's just every 2 weeks would be $46, until basically the total cost would be $185. So that is basically how you would use it in when you're actually using it throughout. But that's pretty much how you set it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.